watch my video that I posted 3 days ago. This part is very important. The price was around $64,000, and this is the arrow I had. So by looking at this, it does not look that crazy that we go down one more time. If it doesn't look realistic to you, I don't know what to say, because we have seen a lot of ups and downs. Every time a lot of people doubted that we're going to go down, but we went and we saw $49,000. A lot of people said, no, we're not going to even go down lower than $60,000, but we saw that we went even $11,000 lower than what they were expecting. By the way, I'm going to do a technical analysis on XRP. I do not have good news as long as we are below this level. I will talk more about this. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe. I have already showed you guys before that where the market is going. In the macro perspective, every time I am calling something, I already called this support around $49,000, and I told you and I said that why we are gonna have this. And I'm gonna go to daily. I'm gonna mention, almost every time I have called for going lower or start getting higher, I already called all of these supports from here. I said that there is a huge possibility that we get support around this area. I'm gonna show you with a circle, and the reason was I said that this closed candle is going to be a reason that we're going to get support. So the next time I said we're going to get support around $54,000, which we got the support again. We went for another one. I called this around here. I said around $69,000, $70,000. And around this level is a huge resistance level. So every time, none of these are financial advice, but if you guys really consider all of these, and you could have got really good trades out of these, and you could have made a lot of money. Okay, I'm not saying to trade based on what I'm saying, but this one right here, and I already called this support around $49,000, and I said that this red candle is gonna be the reason. Most likely we're gonna get a support. And if we go all the way, I'm gonna make a line here, and you can see, there we go. Go all the way perfectly to the dollar. Perfectly to the dollar. Around 49, I said we can't even go down to $48,000 sharp and start going higher and get a really good support from top of this and from this red candle. As long as we are above $48,000, $49,000, we should be good. And I already called this, and I said we are either gonna go down from here, or we're gonna go and get stopped around here. So I'm gonna leave this until I meet you guys around this $48,000, $49,000. The first level I'm watching is $50,000 because of this last shadow that we had. This got bought up very fast. That's why I am trying to see if we're gonna get a really good support. First, let me talk to you about the support I am expecting. This level around $55,000, around this red candle, although we had a really good support temporarily, which pushed the price from $55,000 up to $65,000, almost $10,000. But you guys see that this shadow on top of these shadows got the support and pushed the price higher. But you guys see that these two red candles, daily red candles, are not good, and we closed another one red. And if you guys see, we had the similar movement around this area, right? So that's why I am still expecting go down to this level and close a daily candle. There is a huge possibility that we meet this price in 1 or 2 days. 2 more daily candle, we can see this price around $55,000. Then I'm gonna have to see how we are closing the daily candle and how if we are getting support or not. Okay, please consider liking the video and support the channel. I'm not your enemy, I'm trying to help you here. Okay, I'm holding my altcoins. I'm repeating in every video so you guys know that I'm not trying to manipulate you or play with your thoughts and hopium and whatever you guys are into right now. It's good to be hopeful, but please consider everything I'm saying in this video, but none of these are financial advice. So I want to give you an example similar to what, just pay attention to this area. So we went up, we came down, we got support, but we did not quite touch these red candles and these two candles, and started going higher. I'm going to give you an example here that similarly how we had the same thing. So all the closed candles were on top. We had hits to top of these. I'm going to put it on top of here, right here. So you guys see these closed candles. We had every time hits to it. We pushed the price higher temporarily, but you guys see eventually we went lower, even broke below. Okay, so it's not out of expectation, and as I said in my previous video, I'm still expecting 3 waves down, same as what happened in here and what happened in here. Okay, I am giving you everyday updates on what I'm looking at, and you guys, it's up to you. You do not have to agree with me. Okay, we already broke below this good support at the slant shape, and you guys see that we broke the daily candle. We started this candle like 10 minutes ago. That it shows a little bit of green. It's too small right now because I zoomed out, but I am expecting to get down to $55,000. And if we get support around here, we might still push for $69,000, $70,000. But we need to make sure that we are seeing a couple of bullish daily candles first. Okay, but eventually I am expecting, if we do not hold above $55,000, we are definitely going to $49,000, $50,000 first. And around this level, I am expecting to get support one more time. And I hope this will be the last crash or pullback, if you will. And hopefully after having a really nice king crown, we're going to get support, go sideways, and start going higher. This will be what I'm looking at and I'm hoping for. And if you want to zoom out, pay attention, please. Okay, this is important. If you guys remember in my previous videos, I had some thoughts about this Elliott wave theory. And I was saying that this one wave, 2 waves, this wave right here is too small. We can either consider this as 1 wave, but it would not be realistic, to be honest, okay? So I'm gonna have to, let me fix this. Okay, it's not gonna get rid of it. Okay, let me do it again. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are almost end of the wave 4, and I'm expecting to go back down to $48,000, $50,000, close to that area, and go for another higher high. And that will be our completion of our wave 5, and that will be almost end of it. I am not expecting to go crazy prices for this bull market, and the reason is we have too many resistance. These 2 candles that we had the bull market twice, hit this to this line twice. I am expecting to get Bitcoin in trouble, and we might see $100,000 barely, $100,000 to $105,000 maximum, because of what I'm seeing here. If we go higher, better for us, okay? But right now, if I want to tell you guys how I'm doing and what I'm doing with my members, I am doing a lot of buying, because altcoins, I'm going to tell you why. Because I have already talked to you guys about this, the Bitcoin dominance, and I showed you where I am expecting Bitcoin dominance eventually to get to. And this is the pattern I'm looking at. Of course, it's not going to be 100%, but eventually we need to get to almost 61%, where we had start up our bull market in the last bull market in 2021, which would be almost end of March. And if you want to go back to the chart, March would be March 2021, March. Let's go back. There we go, around this area. So this is the area that we had a lot of altcoins rallying. okay? And although we had a lot of pullback for most of altcoins and even Bitcoin, we still started going higher and altcoins rallied even higher. That's why you guys see this crash for dominance. And after going sideways for a while, for over a year, we started slowly rising. And this yellow line that I said that we're going to get rejected, we got rejected, but we are about to pass, it looks like, because I am still expecting 61% to be touched for Bitcoin dominance. And once we get hit, we need to see if we are breaking above. If we break above, I'm not sure how to look at it. I need to see the price action for Bitcoin when we get to 61%. And if we start crashing, that will be the best opportunity to load on altcoins. That's what I'm doing. I'm not telling you to do that, okay? We are doing with my members, we are buying a lot of altcoins around this area, and we're just gonna hope for the best, okay? So this is not out of expectation. This can look like, this can happen, and we can go down to this level one more time, back down to 47%. So let's talk about XRP. I had explained before that these two lines, we already got broken below. We got a pullback. We keep pushing to this line, but this white line is a very, very long pattern that we have been hitting to this level many times. And if we want to continue this line, make it longer, I am expecting if Bitcoin starts going lower down to at least $48,000-$50,000, I am expecting XRP to go back down first to 38 cents first, where it got started pumping, then eventually go back down to 27 cents. And the reason is the similar idea that I gave you guys about Bitcoin, where I showed you that I already zoomed out, but I gave you an example around this area. This can happen for XRP. We can go back down. We have these closed candles. Every time we had a lot of support around here, but we did not touch this body. We did not really touch it at all, right? So we can still go back down to 27 cents for XRP. That will be honestly for XRP. I don't think it's gonna go out of market anytime soon. I hope that it's gonna go up and they're gonna succeed eventually because they have a very strong community. But to be honest, right now, XRP is still looking weak as long as we're not breaking above. And if we break above 64 cents, 64, 65 cents, I would be hopeful that XRP is gonna see higher highs, okay? So this is another video for you guys. Please like the video right now. It's going to take a moment. Comment down below what you think. Share this video with your friends. I am giving you a lot of direction for the market, and every time it is happening, okay? So we are hoping for this to play out. Let's see what we're going to do around this area, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.